All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
My boy the Jailbreak going crazy.
Already knowing that I'm him. Ball on just like Tim. Mother bad as she got just like Kim. Boys throwing shots at me but never hit the rim. I need all my pockets fat as f*** and all my slim. All my honey's blue. I'm all
It's 9 a.m. Early bird get the worm though, man. You know what I'm saying? Grind don't stop. Man, I'm about to go up here to the car wash and spray the car off real quick. My car is like super dirty right now, so I don't want to pull up to a car meet with my car looking like this. But before we get into this video, man, like, comment, subscribe. We'll cut the camera back on once we spraying the car off. I love having the route, bro. Like, I don't even gotta watch it, man. Can't beat that. Out, man. Yes, sir. All right, man. From the pull up to the meet, I had to meet my boy up here real quick. The cat go crazy.
Jason. Hey, Dream Chaser, look, he looks in this rearview mirror and then he looks at the car in front of him and it has two glass pack pipes through he has a Cadillac converter.
So as y'all see, man, we at the car meet. Yeah.
Jason
Yeah.
What you got in there, Hemi or you got a Hellcat?
Nah, that's a Scat Pack. That's a Hellcat though.
Hey, can you explain the difference between a Hellcat and a Scat Pack?
You said explain the difference? The Hellcat got a supercharger. That's really it, for real. This is a 6.2 liter V8, 6.4 liter V8.
Too safe. Have a good.
All right. Y'all see my boy got the bag set up on the cat, man. It's hard. This man finna put these on the cat, bro. Alright, man, so right now we finna get new tires. Well, he finna get new tires on the cat. We out here chilling, man. You see they got this little, it's like a Jesus protest or something. I appreciate that. So I see we got the cat, man. Shout out to Chico, putting the tires on for us. Man got rubber wrapped around the whole suspension, the whole airbag. Look at how much fire right there, bro. That's crazy. This man got his tires on. 717.
717.
I got it done in San Antonio. San Antonio, Texas.
Expensive?
Like $1,000. $1,000 for everything.
But nice.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Alright, you guys have a good one, bro?
All right, bro.
That boy in that cat. We got the Marrow.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that, my boy. Y'all see it, man. We back in action. got me a GoPro battery, man, so I'm finna bring y'all some POVs. So look, man, we about to hop in the cat right now. I'm finna give y'all a passenger seat POV. What? Oh yeah, I gotta get a cat. It's over with. You said what, bro? And y'all see, it's a jailbreak. This is not a regular cat, man. I think it's time, YouTube. Hey, I think it's time for me to go and get a cat. That was crazy. One pull already convinced me that I want the cat, man. Got the new Mustang. 2024. Oh. I don't know why my camera not focusing, man. That color go crazy. That blue, hard. Bro, he revving the car with the key, bro. That's crazy. Hey, it's open? Yeah. 2024 Mustang. That's crazy, dog. Black interior. Hey, that string crazy too, though. 10 speed. YouTube. Just left Chick-fil-A. Now we about to go slide somewhere, I think. Burn some tires up real quick, man. It's cold out here too, y'all. That's why I got my hood on. Gonna get back in the cat, you know. Hellcats and Trackhawks. We in the Hellcat behind the new Mustang, man. He put new wheels on it already. Them the GT500 wheels? 350? That's hard. Them calipers really set it off though, on that blue.
That's hard. Across the way.
Where?
That blue one.
Oh, CTSV. But they got 4 pistons on the front and back, bro. You see that? That's hard. No. Got them toys out here, man. Yeah, I see my boy Mars just pulled up with the camera. What up, bro? Been straight, bro. These people crazy, man. They got F. Joe Biden on their back windshield. Alright. So we about to head out, man. Y'all see we got them toys out here. The new Mustang. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I like this Mustang in person. The calipers really was getting me, though. And that color. But his rap so hard, bro. They all the way up there, bro. Pull up to this slide spot, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on when we get there. Y'all see the toys outside, man. Y'all know what's about to happen right now. Y'all already know what's about to happen.
Always jumping that.
Yeti on the beat, so you know the beat cold.
735. Yeah, I need no nigga. Hey, let's go. Social world. Hey, hardest on the man of the year. I ain't about that money, I don't wanna hear. Stacking that cat from the floor to my ear. Baddest keep calling cause they
definitely need tires now for sure. So, but you know, we gotta get this content for y'all. They're trying to see the cat slide now. It's time for the cat to slide. Yeah, the top marks though. Come out, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy. I came right here, close to their whips. Scare them boys, you know what I'm saying? I'm a real driver. But look how close I got to this speed bump over here. It's not a speed bump, but y'all know what I'm talking about. This concrete piece. I came super close to it. Look at that, bro. But y'all know I'm a real driver, man, so it ain't nothing. Cat, man, jailbreak. We in the jailbreak. Hey, what you gotta say before you slide, bro?
Brand new tires, fuck.
Brand new tire.
Brand new tire, fuck.
Big cat traction off. Yes, sir, big cat. Tight donuts. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, you getting better, bro? From the first time?
Yeah.
He said again.
Finna hit that.
Hey, yeah, that's them Toyos.
This is brand new. Alright, this the one right here.
The power feels crazy, boy. Yes, sir. Look at all the smoke, though. Oh, yeah. We're making a movie. Dodge. This a commercial. Oh, my goodness. Yes, sir. I'm going to jailbreak going crazy. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, you almost just killed these tires though. You went crazy for real. Bro, this video 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes straight, bro. 2 minutes straight, bro. Boy got that 717. Last call edition, man. He just went crazy in the cat. Too crazy. Bro, ain't no way. Bro, look at these. Bro, ain't no way. Bro, they done, bro. You really just killed them in a day, bro. That's crazy. Bro, he just got them on, bro. All that, bro. Hey, y'all gotta like, comment, and subscribe for this, man. He just got brand new tires on today and killed them, y'all, on video. This is what we do for y'all, man. Yeah, I got tires, but I need to chill. I'm gonna order some more soon, though. The sun out, but it's cold for sure. He trying to be soft. He ain't got no tires. That's we go. Yes, sir. Roll back. Mustang going crazy, man. Man, y'all gotta like, comment, subscribe, man. Maserati. It's hard. YouTube, man. So as y'all see, we slid in the skate in real life today, and now we sliding the skate on the game. That's crazy. Look, who cut it is, man? Stop playing. Come on. Finna manage down the street for y'all. Bro, I don't know. I gotta get used to this one, bro. It slide different from the other one. Ooh.
Nigga Mangy in that hole.
Around the corner. Golly.
On the curve.
I didn't want to turn.
Might well tear the block up.
Hey man, this how y'all learn how to slide in real life too though. Y'all better get on GTA. Oh, how they get right there?
I don't know how to
Come around the corner. Actually, I'm gonna go around the barrier.
He's like, around it, bro, not through it.
Y'all see what I'm doing, man.
It's first day though. First day though, bro.
First day.
You gonna get right.
I'm still imagining down the street though. But look, bro, this coming up to the end of this video, YouTube. Man, like, comment, subscribe, keep God first to chase y'all dreams, man. Stay tuned for a gaming vlog, cause I got my car on GTA now. In case y'all on this video, SRTJD out.
Already knowing that I'm him. Ball on just like Tim. My little bad as she got just like Kim. Boys throwing shots at me but never hit the rim. I need all my pockets fat as fucking all my slim. All my